All right. Hello guys. Hello everyone. Um, this is the Group 8 presentation and discussion for the inventory management topic for EM 5606 class. So there are 6 of us in this group. So everyone is in each group will present their side. So start with myself. My name is Muhammad Zamri, Zainal Abidin, GS 59526. We'll cover for the first topic, which we cover about the theory first. Later on, we come up with the example and the sum of the calculations. So the economic order quantity. So there is two here. So what is the EOQ and what is the importance of it? So it stands for economic order quantity. So basically, this is for the measurement, which will be used in the operation field, logistic, supply management. On top of that, this is also a tool that used to determine the volume as well as the frequency of order required to satisfy given level demand, while this is very important, while minimizing the cost per order. So later on in the example, we will discuss more how to minimize the cost per order. So why it's so important? Because designed to help companies minimize the cost, and the second thing is holding inventory. So this is it. And if I take a look at the second slide, we talk about what is the assumption of the basic EOQ model. Okay, so this is the 6 point here. We assume that the assumption is only one product is involved. Annual demand requirements are known, and demand is even throughout the year. Okay, lead time does not vary. Means that maybe the lead time is very constant. And second one is each order is received in a single delivery. The last one is there is no quantity discount. So the third slide discuss about the behavior of the system. So there is a 4 point here. The first one is as a demand for the inventory item occurs, the inventory level drops. So this is the behavior, the first one. The second one is when the inventory level drop to a critical point, the ordering process is triggered. And the third point is the amount ordered each time an ordered is placed is fixed or constant. Last one is when the ordered quantity is received, the inventory level also going to be increased. So for this one, I pass to Hussein.
Okay, hi. Hi. So my name is Muhammad Ashraf Hussein bin Umar, GS 59129. So for EOQ, this is the component and formula for this is the parameters that we need to identify before we answer the example. So first is D is annual quantity demanded, Q is volume per order, S is ordering cost or fixed cost, C is the unit cost or variable cost, H is holding cost or also is a variable cost, I is the carrying cost, or in other words, is in interest rates. Okay, next, Zam. And this is the formula that used to answer the example. So first we can identify the number of orders, which is the demand over the Q. Q is the EOQ lah. Annual ordering cost is D over Q. Time with the S. H is I over C, and then the annual holding cost. So if you the annual total cost is the annual ordering cost, annual ordering cost plus with annual holding cost. Okay, then the EOQ is the square root of 2SD over H lah. Okay, we jump straight to the example. So this is the example question 1. This is the very simple questions that we can identify. A company faces an annual demand of 2,000 units. it costs the company $1,000 for every order placed and 250 per unit of the product. It faces a carrying cost of 10% of a unit cost. What is the EOQ? And then what is the total annual cost? So D is the demand, 2,000 units. Q is the volume per order, which is the EOQ lah. S is the cost for every order placed, and C is the cost per unit of the product. So H is the cost after the interest rate. So this is when we already recognize the perimeter, we just plug in into the formula EOQ equals the square root of 2SD over H. So 2 times 1,000 times 2,000 demand over 25, which is the 400 units. And then this is a total annual cost, which is the Q over 2 times H plus with D over Q times S. So we get here is a $10,000. Okay, thank you. Next.
Okay, thank you, Hussein.
So I'm continuing with example number 2. So I am Muhammad Farid bin Muhammad Kabid, GS 58200. So an auto part supplier sells Hardy brand batteries to car dealers and auto mechanics. The annual demand is approximately 1,200 batteries. The supplier pays 28 ringgit for each battery and estimates that the annual holding cost is 30% of the battery's value. It costs approximately 20 ringgit to place an order, managerial and clerical costs. The supplier currently orders 100 batteries per month. So there are 4 questions there. So I will settle for number A. Determine the ordering, holding, and total inventory cost for the current order quantity. Number B, determine the economic order quantity EOQ. See how many orders will be placed per year using the EOQ. D, determine the ordering, holding, and total inventory cost for the EOQ. How has ordering cost changed, holding cost, total inventory cost? So the solutions there. So we are given the following information. Annual demand D equal to 1,200 batteries per year. Item cost C equal to 28 ringgit per battery. Holding cost H equal to IC equal to 0.30 times 28, and the total is 8.4 ringgit per battery per year. Order cost S equal to 20 ringgit per order. Current order quantity Q equal to 100 batteries. So for A, the current ordering and holding costs are D over Q times S plus Q over 2 times H. This is the formula, equal to 1,200 over 100 times 20 plus with 100 over 2 times 8.40 equal to 240 plus 420, and the answer is 660 ringgit. So I will continue. Anton will continue with the next question.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So my name is Anton. My metric number is GS57576. Okay. So given the following information, okay. So we have annual demand and item cost, holding cost, order cost, and the order quantity. So we just input the numbers, the values to the equations given to us. Okay, so the company will place about 15.8 orders per year. So D upon Q is 1,200 divided by 76 equals to 15.8 orders. It is what do you call around what do you call? It makes it into like 16 orders per year lah. It's around the I forgot the term. Okay, so going to the next question, the new ordering and holding cost. Okay, so in the previous slides we are given also the equations formula. Okay, so it's just basically just insert the numbers, the following information, the D, S, H, S, and to the formula, and we will get $634.99. Okay, and then basically the company will save about $25 by using EQQ lah. If we compare with the current ordering and holding cost and with the new ordering and holding cost, because 660 minus 635 equals to $25. So by using EQQ, we are saving $25 more lah. So yeah, this will be settled for the questions too. I'm going to give questions 3 to my other members.
Thanks, Anton. My name is Mohammed Namir, holding GS 59501 matric number. So in this example, we have a large bakery buys flour in 25 kilogram bags. The bakery uses an average for 4,080 bags a year. Preparing an order for and receiving a shipment of flour involves a cost of $10 per cent order. Annual carrying costs are 75% based. So we have 5 points here we have to solve it. The first one, A, determine the economic order quantity. B, what is the average number of bags on hand? C, how many orders per year will there be? D, compute the total cost of ordering and carrying flour. And the last one is E, if ordering costs were to increase by $1 per cent order, how much that would affect the minimum total annual cost? Can you move on? Okay, thank you. So in here, in this example, the solution is we have already D, which is the demand, 860 bags a year, and also the S, which is the ordering cost. It's already there, $10, and also the H we are holding like $75. So in point A, we have this rule, we have to roll it to follow it. I mean, Q equal under root 2 to S divide H. So we already have the D and S. So equal under root 2 motivate 860 multiply 10 divide 75 equal 36 bags. In point B, which is Q divide 2 equal 36 divide 2, it will be 18 bags. And the C, point C, we have this one, D divide Q equal 4,860 bags divide 36 bags divide orders. So it will become 135 orders. So for the next points, I will move this presentation to SADIQ.
Okay, so Assalamu alaikum all. My name is SADIQ. My GS number, my matric number GS 56624. I am going to explain the example question 3. The D is 4,860 bags per year. Now from the D, the formula is TC is equal to Q slash 2H plus D by QS. Means in the problem they got the D by Q. Can you show me the problem? I will explain. One second. The average of the bags of 4,860 bags a year. Now I can explain. The current ordering for the holding cost is DQ by S. Then the total is $2,700. Using S, S is the order of the cost. The order of the cost is $20 per order. So the total of the bags is $2,831.79. Increase by, then we need to increase by D minus E. Then 2,000 E minus D. 2,831.79 minus 2,700 is equal to $131.79. That's it. Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you so much. I think everyone in this group already presented their each side. So anyone in this group has any question? Additional question?
No.
I think
No, so good so far.
yeah, this topic I think is quite straightforward. Just plug into the formula. So this video will be uploaded in the YouTube for our team members reference as well. And thank you so much. If there is no more question, Assalamualaikum.